तीन.
Yes, today I am going to tell you how to develop mind. There is a common problem among the students that how they can develop their mind. Some goes toward the doctors to ask whether they have any remedies so that they can develop their mind. Some started taking nutritious food like Chyawanprash, Dawan Chyawanprash, Gandu Chyawanprash and some other things so that they can, with the hope that yes, so that they can develop their mind. But mind cannot be developed through any medicines, any nutritious food. Yes, nutritious food is good for the body, physical health. But whatever is necessary to develop a mind, for that I am आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ. एक जनरल प्रॉब्लम है among the students. And what is the general problem among the students? Problem in learning. Many of the students say that they have problem in learning, they cannot learn properly, and when they learn, so there is a problem of forgetting. Frequently they forget what they have. For example, something they have learned the previous day, today they have forget it, again they have to go. So such kind of problems continuously remain among the students, and they continuously fight to solve those problems, but they fail. Third is problem in paying attention to study. Many of the students say that they have problem and they cannot give attention toward their study. They try it their best, but again and again after 5 or 30 minutes again they find themselves as if they have no attention, and they start engaging in some other activities that is not useful for them. And next is problem in different subjects. Some problem, so I told you that some students have problem in different subjects. Some students like English subject, some but कुछ लोग फिजिक्स को पसंद करते हैं, कुछ हिंदी को पसंद करते हैं, कुछ some other subjects are पसंद करते हैं. तो there is a common problem among the students, and due to these problems they are not able to give their perfection in their study and their academics. For the same, I am here and I am going to tell you what the method you can adopt so that you can develop your mind. फर्स्ट बच्चों, अपना माइंड को डेवलप करने के लिए ज़रूरी है गिव बेस्ट इन एवरी एरिया. I have observed that students have a lack, that they are not able to give their best in any in particular areas. For example, teacher has given them a work, teacher has taken a class test, so they don't give their perfection, thinking that this is class test and the marks they will get in they have no value in board or in their assessment of the final exam. So due to this, they don't give much more attention toward these class tests and get satisfied with the lowest marks, or some students even leaves these exams. So what does it means? That they did not give their best in their class test, in their test that has been taken by their parents, and the test that has been taken by the mother, father and brother, sister, and due to this lackness remain continue to their final exams. So student, whatever it is, whether it is classroom, outside of the school, in the school, even any coaching classes, or wherever you are, if you have been given any task, you have to give your best. आपके पास कोई भी काम दिया है, आप उसे सीरियसली करें. नो मैटर, डोंट थिंक व्हाट द रिजल्ट यू विल गेट, बट योर अटेंशन इज टू वर्ड to give to your best in every task whatever has been assigned to you by your elders. Understood? Second is learn responsibility. And if you start thinking your responsibility, what are your responsibility for the family, for the nations, to fulfill those responsibility, you start doing work. And when you will start doing work to fulfill those responsibility, you find that something have changed in your life. Same way as I told you that you give best. So why I am saying that you should give best? Yes, you should give best if you want to be different from the crowd, if you want to be different from other common students, because there is a majority of the students who do not give